Boom! Boom! Right, get this set up. This little doohickey working. Oh my gosh, I forgot my password. Boom! I actually got in. What do I need? I honestly think I just broke it. Like, I don't know what I did wrong. Like, it should freaking... Well, I'm not having any coffee. What's up, YouTube? This is your boy, Michael, the entrepreneur. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to be talking about business plans, okay? And we're not going to be talking about just a one-page business plan. Check up here. You will find that link if you're looking for just a one-page business plan. Today, we are going to be talking about the full shebang, like the whole thing, like not just a little bit, but the whole thing. So grab your coffee. I wasn't able to grab mine, but you can grab yours. Pause. Go do that. I'll wait. Okay. So we're going to be diving into this wonderful topic of business plans. And business plans are something that, quite frankly, scares a lot of people. Even though they're scary, they're very, very, very valuable to your business. There's three main things that they do for your business. Number one, they get you organized. Number two, they give you vision and focus to where you want your business to go. And number three, they can act as an application so that when you want to, bring new people on, whether it be, a business partner and or you want to get some type of investor, it also triples as that oversight of how your business is projected to do and what the plan is and goals for the business, so that someone can understand where you're going and what you see and your goals for the business in the future. There's quite a few sections that the business plan goes over, but we are going to be going over them in detail right now. Not now, but right now. Okay, so the first one is going to be executive summary. And whenever I write my business plan, I like to write this last. The reason why I like to write this last is because this is like that juicy prelude or trailer to a movie. You want it to be as exciting. You want it to kind of touch bases on some of the numbers. You want it to touch bases on like the vision that you have, the excitement that you have and passion that you have for your business should come out in your executive summary. But essentially, this is just giving a quick overview of the goals, the passion, why you're doing the business, what made the business, how was a business formed, how was it created. That's what your executive summary is. So once again, come back to it after you've done everything else. So the next portion is going to be the company description. And this is really just going to outline kind of just the basic information about your business, from where you're going to be conducting, business at, to a little bit of information about the ownership, which is going to be you and whoever you bring onto the business. The next portion is going to be the products and services. This is going to be outlining what are you planning on to sell and package up and give to your customers. Is it going to be a service or is it going to be an actual product that you are delivering, packaged, ready to go to your customer or your consumer base? So the marketing plan, which is the next step, is going to be talking about a lot of different things. It's not only going to be talking about the money that you're going to be utilizing to promote your business, get your vision out, whether it be, you're doing, online campaigns, social media campaigns, or you're actually going out and giving out flyers, however you're planning on doing that. It's also going to be talking about your competitors and different things that you're going to be doing to maximize your exposure and who your biggest competitors are, how you're going to market against them, how you're going to be marketing alongside them, how is your marketing going to be different than theirs, like how you're going to stand apart. So there's a lot of different things to unpack in this marketing portion. So please make sure you do your research, make sure that you're going in and you're really figuring out how you're planning on getting your business the most exposure in the market that you are trying to hopefully make some money in and take over and, do all those great things in. The next portion is going to be the operational plan. And this is really going to be outlining the day-to-day processes that you're planning on implementing within your business. So, how you're planning on running the floor of your business, how you're planning on, running, the admin of your business. So that's where you're going to be putting all this information and thinking about. So as a business owner, these are all aspects that you should be thinking about in your business. You're not just one dimensional as a business owner. You have some depth within, the skills that you're going to be creating, or the skills that you're going to be honing in on, the skills that you're going to be, refining. Your operational plan is really going to help you put that on paper and put, whatever you have up here of how you think that you're planning on running your business, you're going to be able to jot it down and make it real. So the next portion is going to be the management and the organization of your business. And this is going to be talking about like who is behind the business. So what is it going to look like when it comes to who's managing it. So that could be you, that could be your partner, however your business structure is. And I talked about different business structures that you can choose. I'll link that up above. But this is just going to be talking more about the management of the actual business. So the next portion is, I just realized that you do not drink any coffee. And I've been going over a lot. So I really want you to indulge yourself, okay? Drink some of your coffee. I'll wait. Okay, thank you. Are you feeling better? Can you digest what I'm saying now? Can you actually get into the words that I'm saying? Okay, so let's get back to it. This next portion is going to be talking about the startup costs and the capitalization of your business. So this is really important because now you're going to be talking about, the money. What is it going to take for you to actually get everything going, what equipment you need to buy, all these different things, and be reasonable. I talked about this in one of my previous videos. I'll link that up above about, being realistic. I like to have different options when I'm setting up the startup costs for my business. Revert to that video if you really want to dive in deep about kind of what my philosophy is and when I'm doing that. But really you want to make sure like you're going online, you're researching, you're finding out information. If you can go to warehouses or go to, certain businesses where someone is already using that equipment, or you can go into the actual warehouse of the manufacturer and actually touch the machine, go online. Like I literally spent so much time when I was buying my silkscreen press for my actual printing company. I was on eBay, I was on Amazon, I was on Walmart. I literally just dove headfirst into the research that I did on these products, so I really understood, what I needed to actually make my first dollar. And sometimes, going for the big $20,000 machine may not be what you need. So take your time in really figuring out, how you want to, what your startup costs are going to be, or how you're going to capitalize your business, and actually going in and putting money behind the ideas that you're doing. It's only right for us, after we talk about, startup costs and capitalization, it's most appropriate for us to now talk about the financial plan. Now you're going to be talking about the accounting side of your business, so you can really fine tune, what you're going to use. I suggest, or I always refer, if I'm talking to anyone who's thinking about starting a business or they're already in a business, I always talk about QuickBooks. QuickBooks is amazing. No, I'm not getting sponsored, but I've used QuickBooks for the past 2 years within my businesses. They've actually helped me a lot with managing, the different ways that I manage the income and revenue of my business. I will be doing a video on that. So you guys, I will break down, what bank accounts I have, how I utilize them, if they're checking, if there are savings. I'll talk to you guys all about that. But yeah, you really want to make sure that this is the time that you're really figuring out how you're going to manage the finances of your business, who you're going to appoint to manage those finances. Is it going to be you, or are you going to get an accountant? Figure out the details of how you are going to do it, what time of month you're going to do it, when you plan on closing your books, where are you planning on storing that information, how are you planning on using that information, because finances are all about being able to collect that data, use it to make smarter decisions for the better of your business. Okay, so the next portion is going to be the appendices, and this is really going to be all of the contractual documents that you have for your business. Instead of you like sprinkling it all throughout the business plan, this is a place where you can put all that information. So all of the contracts, blueprints, things that you have, that documents that are related to the business, you can put it all here. So if someone is looking to invest in your business, or someone's looking to come onto the business to support you as a partner, they have all of the documents that you're currently using or that you plan to use within the business. So the last and final portion is just refining your business plan. And the reason why I say refine your business plan is because it's not one size fits all. When you are going out and you are trying to raise capital for your business, when you're talking to different types of investors, you need to court them differently. You need to say certain terms and certain words and rephrase the way that you are, organizing your business, or organizing some of your thoughts within the business, especially when it comes to the finances of the business. You want to make sure that certain things are being said and certain things are being taken into account when it comes to raising certain money for your business, depending on the vendor. And I'll have a video about that where I'm talking about the different types of investors that you can seek for your business, and how you can go about courting them in order to raise capital for your business. So just so you know, like always, I like to have something that you guys can take away from my videos. This time I'm actually giving you guys a template that I kind of created from just many different business plans that I've used throughout the years, and I put them together as one, and I'm giving them to you guys so you can actually not have to go online and search for, a business plan template. It actually has each section that we're going to be discussing today. It's also going to be giving you the description of what you need to put into that, and also in addition to that, you will get and also, in addition to that, you will be getting all of the spreadsheets, the financial spreadsheets, the projectional spreadsheets. All of that is going to be inside of that drive as well. So you can get your business plan now and going and ready, and you know everything that you need to do in order to make sure that your business plan is the best that it can be.